Hey, I just want to start by saying thank you. If you're watching this, it means you actually took the time out of your day to complete our survey. And I genuinely appreciate that. Your input matters to me, and it helps me understand where you are, what you experienced, and how I can serve investors like you better. So, seriously, thank you. I want to take a moment, though, to acknowledge something that I feel really strongly about. Investing in alternatives, private deals, real asset, things outside of the stock market, it's not always easy, and you've figured that out. And it's not always gone well for everyone. You know that too. I have friends, I have people I care about who've lost a lot of money in deals that simply didn't perform as they were modeled. These were deals that were pitched well, they looked great on paper, but ultimately they fell short in the underwriting or in the financing or interest rates, and that's painful. Losing money hurts. If that's been a part of your story too, I want you to know that I don't take that lightly. That experience is a very big part of why I do what I do. And here's what I believe with every fiber of my being: alternatives still work. They still offer the kind of outsized returns that traditional markets simply can't match if they're vetted well, structured thoughtfully, and managed by experienced people with discipline. The problem was never the asset class, multifamily, or whatever. The problem is almost always a lack of deep due diligence. Bad deals get funded when people don't ask the hard questions. And that's exactly where our approach is different. We go slow and we look deeply and we ask uncomfortable questions. And when the risk can't be mitigated properly, we just walk away. So don't give up on alternatives. You just need the right partner helping you find them. Which brings me to something I'd love for you to explore. Over the last 2 years, I created the Smart Flex Fund, and it's a vehicle designed for investors who want diversified exposure to alternatives without having to evaluate every deal by themselves. Now, we're approaching $4 million in capital that we've deployed in the Smart Flex Fund. Now, what makes it different? Well, I'm in there investing alongside you. I'm an LP just as well. I'm in the fund vetting deals for my own portfolio. So my money's in there with yours. And when I say I'm selective, I mean it personally. The fund holds commercial real estate, self storage facilities, marinas, mobile home parks, apartments, and we've actually started holding interest in private businesses, from smaller local operating companies to actually a large tech deal. We've participated in debt offerings, and we're currently vetting a crypto algorithmic trading platform. Now, it's a diversified, actively managed portfolio built for the long game, and it allows you to pick and choose the deals you like. If any of this resonates with you, I'd love to have a conversation. The best place to start is go over to investclearly.com. Now, while you're over there, you can learn more about who we are and what we invest in, and you can check out some of the sponsors you've invested with in the past as well. And you can look and see how the Smart Flex Fund works. There's no pressure, no obligation. We have nothing to sell. We just know that when we invest together, we tend to earn more together. And I'm here for the long haul, and I'd love the chance to earn your trust over time. So thanks again for completing the survey and for being here. I look forward to connecting with you soon.